Hey guys, Trent here at Precision Transmission. We've got our 4L60E coming back together. Got all of our high pressure rings to our bushings, to all of our clutches, our Z-Pack, our reverse. Got a nice drum, turned out really nice. All of our parts cleaned up really nice. All of our planetary cleaned up really nice. Got a valve body that's pretty dirty. Gonna have to do a lot of cleaning through it. Seal changing, solenoid changing. Here's our valve body plate. Got to pull all that off of there. We're gonna be checking everything out, drilling some feeds, change things up a little bit. But we're getting there. Takes me a little bit longer to build these things rather than my dad would. It takes him a little bit less time. 40 years versus 10, 15 years. A little bit of a difference. But we're gonna keep going on this thing. I'm gonna eat a little lunch. We hope everyone is having a great day. Thanks for watching.